What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, and I'm super excited to share this with you because in this video, I finally got approved for YouTube monetization. How long did it take? Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for small YouTubers out there, just have a little bit of faith. I'm telling you, the light at the end of the tunnel is very near. And I know how most of us would like to get YouTube monetization. So I'm going to give you guys some tips. I'm going to help you. And I'm also going to tell you how long it took me to get monetized. All right. So the very first thing is you want to make sure you have 1,000 subscribers and you want to have 4,000 hours watch views. So you got to have 4,000 hours. And I know that's going to be a stretch for most people. But if you want it that bad, you have to dedicate yourself. You got to make sure that you're serving the marketplace. So that's why I always talk on my channel. And I tell people, you have to be consistent. Be consistent in whatever you're doing. And do something that you love and that you're passionate about. So that way, your channel can get monetized, your audience will grow, and people will always want to come back and watch your videos. So that's what you have to do. You got to stay focused, laser focused in order for you to get there. The next thing you want to do, you want to make sure you pick a niche. A niche is very important. So stay within that niche, stick with it, stay with it, and just grow with it. And the third tip is just be persistent. Just don't give up. Just keep going. Sometimes you probably see that your channel is not growing, but you keep putting out content, but for some reason, it's not moving. But I'm going to tell you that sometimes it's just that little obstacle that's in the way for you to get to your final destination. And I know small YouTubers, you want to get monetized, right? And just stick with it. Stay with it. Just trust the process, keep doing what you're doing, and your result will pay off. So I'm going to show you that I got approved today. Congratulations, you're approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. I hope I don't get flagged or get in any trouble for this, but I just wanted to share with you and let you know that it is possible. And I was super excited when I got this approval for monetization. And how long did it took me? Today is Wednesday, as you can see. I applied for this on Sunday and I got approved today. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days if you count it. 3 days and I got approved. Now, I've heard people got approved longer, such as like 1 month, 6 weeks, 4 weeks, it all depends. I was surprised that I got because they said, okay, they told me it's being reviewed and you're going to get a reply from us and within a month or more. And I got an email notification. I didn't even, I just opened it, look at it because I got it on my phone and I checked and I was like, bam, I saw a huge congratulations. So I was like, is this real? So I open it up, I look inside, and there it is right there. So small YouTubers, I know how it is. I didn't even realize I got approved that quick. So it took me 3 days, and I've heard horror stories out there, a month, even longer. So I hope I don't get in trouble for this, YouTube. I just wanted to share because I'm so excited, and I want this to reach my audience because there's a lot of people out there that would love to get their channel monetized. And I'm not the one who call the shots. I just like to provide value to the marketplace, give information to people so that way they keep watching your content, they keep coming back, and that's how it is. Just stick with it, stay with it. And this will be your year. 2019 will be your year. So all you got to do is just push through, stick through. And I'm going to make some videos and let you know the progress as I go along. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on that bell notification, because on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, all that type of stuff. So in the comments, if you want to learn, check out the comments here and also check out the description. Like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. And if I could do anything to help you as a small YouTuber, I'm always willing to help. My name is Andre. Peace.